Spanish media for no and you may Oman Shadam Amanda.
Mama was repair.
Mama Madani Spanish translator. Because say from Nhyira BC and Nadia, they are in the news. I'm no more news. Na Kitwa Kre womb a Tottenham Hospital branch friend Kuti Romero. Na or catch Tottenham say Opeso Atletico Madrid into Montono. Na NTI Bane say Atletico Madrid a very, very close. Say Omo Ebeto Kuti Romero. Na mi busama say na Diego Simeone no. Obeso Dani Atletico Madrid Argentina and
as a man come back on. That's also Argentine players no.
The hands on in Coco Casas Obeso Bonity no so memwaba. Nti ye ho animu I think say we read the report na almost say fee no should be in the region of 40 to 45 million. Agreement in here Juma Kuti Romero will leave Tottenham Hotspur na wakosina kain. Ede ama Atletico Madrid and it's eminent say ABC. So ene kitwa kure wum. Obakaya Nhyira yes Nhyira chi. And me be catch you say me pon adwuma wi abe 2. And there's a Spanish journalist called Navarro. Emma me hu video of Deco. Our arrive at Madrid. Assignment in Nesaya on Amara. Amara air quack youth scouting at Madrid. And on no Deco Nankasa air quackushia Uren Alvarez ni agents. I friend her dago. Mebekacha will say Oshia agent ni we are. Enka media for another Roma. Yebenya in coma a course ewo sa meeting him. But Rich, Ubeje say, interestingly, it seems meeting at the Kukoye no was just to create an impression. But the value of a visit to Madrid no and yet purely on negotiations. The ambassador Kenya. Julian Alvarez agent, I'm a decorative say. Still now, Atletico Madrid stands on Julian Alvarez and say, Omonton. And Yakra agents of Abrantiano, we are not able to sit at the table with Atletico Madrid to even give them an offer. Yentimiko Wakanjo Muso Abrantian and yet team ya open. Na team nisi obetua say. Enti Mubeji anase and common say nebetiako. The strict statement from Atletico Madrid to Julian Alvarez and Kofone say Abrantian yentono. Now already obi anim. Say Abrantian will contract till 2030 or 500 million buyout clause on the contract. And the only way Ubetimi to Julian Alvarez per Atletico Madrid stance is to trigger the release clause. And the only mumpo table no. The answer La Liga for trouble so contract na money Abrantian won obi aba betwa ni release clause so enti sika no ye de to account mu Abrantian no or ho akonya sa oko. And Rich obi anim say these kind of release clauses they are not there to be triggered. Just there to protect the player and call obi a opa Abrantian onto the negotiation table if we want to sell. Now me sorry how much we then I noticed Dario Sports any mundo nyina writing a story be and story no menika kakra. There are two sides to the story. Deco or call Madrid nyina no. Rich to create the impression to Julian Alvarez say Barcelona peneba. Inyawa yepe. Yentendaye. Yeah, whatever it takes. Yeah, ready. And that was what Deco went there to do. Because on Atletico Madrid, and on konya any new update bia on Julian Alvarez. So the travel now to the agency is to create the impression say Abrante no dey akoma so o say mabakra sana mu be bon ko say na say asem no ye dey be fine. But Rich, in Pempia me no ka say Julian Alvarez is on holidays. There was a video and a Babonti was playing tennis on holidays. Obe resume training Monday ebe. Then Mundo ni Dario Sport are telling us say and tia omanya say say World Cup no after Argentina Austria game no as part of the post match press conference and Julian Alvarez koka so on we decided on the future baby opeso oko na e wo say oko baby a nani beji say obobo ama omo and on susu say Atletico Madrid he wants to move on and ka onya Barcelona eno pa na dan akoma so a ebema nani agi as a player enti okansa no ana Atletico Madrid pay for say na professional footballer on e contract there oye de ko gina bonti make sa pronouncement no oye sir you are not being professional enough and one for buo ama Atletico Madrid then later Julian Alvarez so camp by with nchemu say o abnantie ni nya akonya kokansa asem ni because even in the contract na oni mo Atletico Madrid ma sign no owo hu akonya say so o say o the preferred club obeso obo ba e wo say mo go mo stance mu abrantie ne ko and sa clause no my tintintinti wo ho and it is forcing abrantie to be frustrated and there some na okay no it's not as if we can be any contract nim our contract nim say yes this is my release clause contract up to 2030 there name along the journey say me nyame prefer club na me be catch am say me be say me kwa the clause Emma no mugu kakra say oh then you allow us to have the negotiation afedru a mo be say be negotiation bia into Rich the story no and say almost say Julian Alvarez say oba Monday one orefe ne Diego Simeone ewo nkomo
Argentina for me no
yes nti okono coach wo na say a chew pawo say play o say na asem no de koto nanim o no ka che say o ka asem mra na me bai ababon so yeboko yanim me sure say aside say me ye adwuma ma no you want to see me play happy me book club manage I want to play baby and say I want to be happy as a player football na nya adwuma ne nko a ya braba ye bo nti look I'm paying for it there in some no mo ke kan ne ntawantawa na ya beta me ni o mo ntem no mintimi nko mo nim but wo de wo yem krom ni na you are the coach and me sure say you don't want me to play for you with amemene mfe nti ko ka che mpanyin for no mame say me say omungo omo stance nim na omunimi agency ne Barcelona for nkasa no mo mame nko Rich there is no way out apart from this say enya kasa na ne Diego Simeone be kasa na ono as a coach akaka champion for say look I will not want to work with a player who don't want to be here nimbe say many player na adwiri mu ni bibia no on be so obetena ha ye adwuma enti whatever situation e wa abrantie de ho no mumfe o mu agency na mu ne o mu ni nkomo na abrantie ne ba bi opese okọ no mu maximize sika mbanya film na ye ma abrantie ne nko se coach ni approach team no in that manner Julian Alvarez nim say ebe bie kwan ama afei nkomodie betimi akoso ama nako nti ye twen Monday okay or resume training na the said meeting with Diego Simeone in the Baswa
best decision
na ekwan mu timi bie na afei because Rich apart from that there's no solution me ya Barcelona ni and that who say akonya bie ni baby a player one a long term contract I will release clause on the contract mu there if you want to trigger it ekwan ni wani
kutua na o de fa no
which
obi anu ni
enye sika wo betimi atua enti eye kasa enada oh the player must onu ankasa must push na on bie kwan ne se bramu na afa ni mpanyin fo makasa angasa dia oboa dia wo ka bia enko bebia na Rich Vini Junior Rock Nation Real Madrid. You see, asampa biaba. And those say NCP. But say the Ogana. And some job from Real Madrid. I say, oh, and I meet and paying for me to pay and na Obia seems to Bonibeka say, oh, optimistic. Let's say GDO or say, and you might be. Now, Yama background to say, same way that I was, yeah. And Enra, again, the managing director, Maria Sanchez, and Juni Califat, Asia, Rock Nation, and Vinicius, and Penny for. And I think, so, Rich, it is very, very true. Say Jose Mourinho prepare a fertile grounds for any breakthrough now or manyana. So and now Thursday me boy. Monday Muyana Vinicius started training. Yes, we do Yana Jose Mourinho so abranti me no meeting. Me buy no. Me busa player bia situation ya mama tia say one club no ewo ntawantawa kakra concerning of contract extension. Now me no nkomo ayedi nie. And answer na me no be dis ankomo mama club na tia se. Die dikan. Uyo obi a me pewasem. And me plans are me war Madrid no oka ho. Onka ho keke o very, very important to my dressing room, my tactics, the personalities I want to lead as players. Any bibiawo Vinicius. Okam. And see, minimum comma only Real Madrid phone di in the past. Say amu feel say ebia akra na say omu say dem feel me. Entina omu entie me na. Me ba ye de no masesa. Because me na me coach. Mimi na me players you hear omo hani omo you hear omo and my mom Matthias say you are an important part of my projects. Enti be dis ankomo na ma. Now the can say wo so no. Odona me dom no and it's assessing upon best me no wotina no. Na enya akonya bi na elusi nyoma kakra e wo so parts. Enti any meeting be an phobia go with the mindset to say Mimi coach and say you are very important here and that is the stance of the technical team. Rich players somebody say sometimes all that they need to feel is important. Valued and important. And before any meeting in Pobabasuno, no Monday after training, Jose Mourinho ama Vinicius atias say onu de o hwe nanim so ko meeting ni wie Wednesday na ekwan bia so no e wo say ye meeting na e din so so papa beba say o tenane na anyina aka bo ma ye Real Madrid team no. Now Vinicius enenim kofo age na 30, Real Madrid age na 20. Any other issues e wo. Now eya homachi we Rich ana me ready ana I think it was sports. Every village me say Obeje say yadika ka say sa negotiation akoso over 1.5 years in here. Rich, almost say enche bia Real Madrid got frustrated by Vinicius ni subana na all day diwo negotiation table no so no. Ama afa omubu fuka che say contract no. The say the be man na the be ma say own sign here.
Take it or leave it.
Kofa club obetua 170 million euros ebra. It got to that point where Real Madrid told him, say the way I didn't hear back and forth no as a club and they are beginning to grow frustrated. And this is their evaluation of you. 170. Kofa club bebetimeti abra na omometo na eko. And I say, hey, any kaka kremi kanoma jija. Now, Rich, a day now, all of a sudden, Obia yenye GDS o afedie the breakthrough naba. The edikan. Rich, almost see another meeting na say Real Madrid epinido kakra. See, we're moving from 20 and it is coming from Laguero. I read a lot of articles. I was number 7 the figure terms, you know. They are the only media house and Omo pronounce we and who say all the other media house from Spain are referencing Omo to the figure. So now Omo say Omo to 24. So Real Madrid have moved. Vinicius is 30. Real Madrid is 20. Now they've moved from 20 to 24. Now the image writer Real Madrid any Vinicius won our contract mo 50-50. Almost say so ometima ye hu bibi. And I like the way I'm not for football no because Rich image right revenue there. A woo player no good one e dey ba o. Enti imagine say me no sign contract. Na ye ke sika sanam si o. Sika wo de ba club ni mu no. Ah ye che ni 50-50 no. Say see e betimi a ne wa ka na e bia yakọ no be 60-40. And wow good one e dey ba. What dey ba? Ni ama do na. Enti enye se club ni ko fo ni sika o baabi. And what they ma wo player no. Send your modern anywhere endorsement city and if revenue comes on that commercial aspect, then ya cha. The mama will do now because you want more money, and that is so nice a business to do. And yeah, no kwa. On say Vinicius ne contract o CCA no. Ebe 2027. And a Real Madrid person somebody called 2031. International what is say oh after the Vinicius a jatum or massa contract extension ebe 2031. Rich, okay the renewal bonus issue na ba na Real Madrid so no renewal bonus dey entia. Now Real Madrid catch Vinicius say unim say o sign a contract in 2022 I be ba do 2027 say ultimate tina I could do 2027 na ye no wo ya adwen say ye be ma loyalty bonus bi nti renewal bonus in the yentimi mfama but say we stand no contract where it means say you are not living and 2027 better say etoa then yeah mo say loyalty bonus na nka ba be show renewal bonus nim e the amount
it makes sense.
See, Real Madrid have found a very very nice way to raise only 4 million addition but dia canon making a lot of business sense. And almost say enkomono ekoyie with Vinicius say at least Jose Mourinho amane hu say ni hu hia which is I don't know first how important or yet to Real Madrid, how far would the club go to keep him? It is very very important to the player. And now at least Real Madrid are making some soft grounds that could fetch him money. I bet me aban in chain and or appreciate this I guess that Real Madrid ade amano ninti Rock Nation for so Real Madrid for better omonka, but they are reporting say just enoma ebekoyi. Now Rich, away kakra from Vinicius minim time aka yewo.
Fa kakra so so kakra bi na. Emrefi.
Eye. There is this story on Rodri. And story no baby a few but there's as a mystery kaka wo mu. When you read story and there are still a lot of conversations within the story and the story it doesn't come out as convincing as Etienne. But at least Rich okay ora requiremia or contest Florentino Perez. And me sources okay say during the Real Madrid elections, you know, Rich, one of Florentino Perez, the opponent which is requiring one of the players or the campaign passes or Mutu Abamana or the neighbor Real Madrid was Rodri. Oh, Real Madrid politics no Rich a star bio. Now, say who a player. Now, who climb up the presidential candidates everywhere campaigner. It is seen as on a campo. picture na me paint. It is seen as enti na what ya say on fa won campaign. Because no waka say and you've agreed say for me campaign wo ba meba say na be mema wo promises no abamu. Enti Florentino Perez so obeka ya story na eba any nyina of Real Madrid renewal interest in what was that because of the performance at the World Cup. And can you say and can what the conversation na etuacha. And one of the reasons why na etuacha they say Florentino Perez felt as a word in the Koni Nafa or on the opponent camp. But after the World Cup now MVP on sporting grounds and Jose Mourinho saying out of the midfielders I'm listed the media. So what do you want listen? So he is the best. I'm within a blame. Timunko. Therefore, Tino Perez will want to bury whatever political way on it and say, so coach in the Pona Baby team me and Quadia, I will come for you. It is Sadi and Woho. Number 2. Rich okay na what the J Ballon d'Or. Okay, the Real Madrid behavior towards the Ballon d'Or. And see, so okay Spanish papers now. Back when resist those two issues and say enti ama the start of Real Madrid epe wodunu na tension kakra wo mu already you are my opponent political tool and you know unfinished business be I feel disrespected say dey na wo jo Ballon d'Or no yeah I say ke man aye ade na anya kama enti eno no wo but reach the bottom line say almost say Real Madrid for first proposal na omo dey ama worry no unconvincing. And that is what the story said. In this case, obi proposal and answer the offer unconvincing. I don't know whether it is the money. Minim say sikano. I don't know whatever it is. But the story about said the first one unconvincing Rodri say ejumano ombra na ombeye rich. Then and kenun kwan so won yanka so Real Madrid this is the first attempt o me ko machi no masa kobiem. Then the story of all of a sudden is Barcelona for and so ya pe Rodri idea and say ombrana ombeboma club no until they are joining the bidding war for Abrantia no. I'm say awo pedimanu si no City for see what do you know on mekancho mo so but City need the history say play be baso so kwa o me chenchen say chenchen e try nti omo say what e ba say what do be catch mo so kwa between 65 million obi di ba abanti no match ni munzo nyina abanti na sa nti so obi di ba o mana ko nti in the next few days no Rich whether it is true which I know say midfield and that nya hanse flick ne priority pa. But me also say kwenda hu say omunya Rodri ahead of Real Madrid and they will consider it inti yen how asa conversation Real Madrid will obviously go again right. And say no kwese Barcelona so join here how like emu duro no saying and how far and Barcelona abeye na adwo so obekọ for Abrantia e fe no Rodri no abesi akan e de amomo edo say oye national team captain wakoji World Cup. What the best player? The two biggest teams. Chrome. Now set it up a bidding war for you.
Interesting days ahead.
You couldn't have gotten it right.
Interesting days ahead. Finally, we win battle. Of course. All right. You're talking about the 4.5 FM.